Okay, this is just a short handheld video. I had a second one of these Cragstand Mystery Action Satellites with astronaut in orbit come in, and what I wanted to show you on this one, I got it open, is it was sent to me because the battery box was no longer connected to the thing. It was rattling around free, but I thought you guys might enjoy something that I always enjoy. You can see this battery box was made out of an old Hills Brothers coffee can. It's not uncommon at all, and especially in the toys that were made in the 1950s. You open them up and you'll find that they used old coffee cans and beer cans and all kinds of stuff like that. The other reason I can see that this is here is someone has been in it before, and this is the vent control for the blower, you know, so that it'll turn the air off and on so the floating astronaut, which we don't have of course, would rise and fall. Well, it's been disassembled and not reassembled correctly. This spring and that little washer belong over on this side, and that little washer needs to be against here to keep the spring from getting wound up, and that keeps applying pressure so that this will rub against here and form a good seal to control the air. You might also find it interesting in this particular one, they molded part of this in clear plastic, so you can actually see the blower fan elements in there. Anyway, I'll put in the light sequencer on the front. I'll put a link to the other repair that I did on this, which is more in depth and showing the toy running and everything. I just thought you might find it interesting if you hadn't ever seen coffee cans and stuff like that used in the toys from the very early years of the Japanese battery operated toys. It's fairly common, but it's pretty cool when you find them.